This is Nokia E71 with QWERTY keyboard. I have done many short videos of old Nokia phones that you'll find linked in the pinned comment. This phone has a 3.2 megapixel autofocus camera, and this is how it looks compared to the modern day smartphones. Comment down below your thoughts. You'll find its detailed specs linked in the video description. This phone runs on Symbian OS, and let's test out its speaker, display and camera quality. Subscribe as I have 500 plus tech videos and more retro tech videos are on the way with latest tech videos.